Wow, it is a beautiful fall afternoon in Northern Virginia. We're out here in Prince William County, and we have just finished up a incredible patio project. I got Katie in front of me. These guys that came out and did this work, did they show up on time? Did they give you a lot of grief? I mean, what was the deal?
The crew was fantastic. They were on time every time. They didn't come too early in the morning, which is perfect for me. I have young kids, especially during all this virtual schooling stuff. They were friendly, professional. Glenn and his team have been responsive every time we've had a question. We had a lot of them. They were fantastic. I highly, highly recommend this crew and this company for any of your patio or backyard or any of your projects.
Yeah, we can handle just about anything under the sun that relates to your house. And as you can see, we've got a happy camper here, and that's what we try to do here at Fairfax Contractor. We try to come in and we try to get them the right color stone, and we got them a little seating wall, and they got some little extras here. It really came out nice, and I'm going to show you some pictures here of some of the details we did in a nice little border around here. And I'm pretty impressed, and I think Katie is too. And her husband is in law enforcement, working down in DC. All the overtime hours allowed him to actually afford to buy this. They're getting a pergola put in next, so this should really be quite a sight when that's put in. Thanks again, Katie, for your review, and we'll see you folks out there. This is absolutely beautiful square cut flagstone patio installed by Fairfax Contractor. We utilized the best natural cleft Pennsylvania flagstone with a nice border. Wow, we can do this for you. We are your contractor. Give us a call and we can take care of you installing a breathtaking